Hi, maybe you are looking for a good business with a great product. Well, welcome to Sante. How to become a member in Sante? You have to purchase any of our business owner packages. Let's start from packages in the Philippines. Starter package is amounting to 4,988, but the product value that you will get is amounting to 5,520. Another one is builder package. That is 5988, and the product value that you will get is amounting to 20,180. If you want big business in Sante, and this ultimate package is for you, this amounts to 88,988, and the product value that you will get is amounting to 127,720. Big business, right? Now, these are the product inclusions of our starter packages and our builder package. Let's go to the PH Global packages. If you want to earn not only in peso but also in dollars, then these are the best packages for you. Choose which best suit you. Let's start from Global Starter. This amounts to $150. In peso, it amounts to 7,950. We also have Global Builder Packets amounting to $480. And in peso, it amounts to 25,440 pesos. We also have Global Ultimate Packets amounting to 2,525 US dollars. In peso, it amounts to 133,825 pesos. Let's talk about the ways to earn. Let's dive into 4 basic ways to earn. The first one you can earn in Sante is retail bonus or retail income. When you become a member in Sante, you can get 30 to 50% discount in your subsequent purchases. If you want to resell the products, let's say you bought 1 box of juice at the amount of 1,442, and that is 30% discount. And you sell it at SRP price amounting to 2,060. Then what is or how much is your profit? Your profit is amounting to 618 pesos. Assuming you are selling 10 boxes every week, then how much is your weekly income? That could be 6,180 pesos. Now, if you will be buying at the 3+1 promo package of Sante, then you will be enjoying the 50% discount. The price of 1 box of juice is only 1,081.50 pesos. If you will be selling it at the amount of 2,060, how much is your profit? You will be gaining 978.50 pesos. Let's say you are selling 10 boxes every week. How much your income will be your income? This will be 9,785 pesos. And if you are selling 50 boxes, how much will be your income? You can earn 48,925 pesos. That's a good sum of money, right? Let's talk about the second ways to earn fast start bonus. In Sante, you can earn 400 to 5,000 pesos. Let's say one business partner joins you in a starter package, you can earn 400 pesos from that package. And if someone joins you at the builder pack, you can earn 1,000 pesos. And if your friend joins you at ultimate package, you can earn 5,000 pesos. Assuming that you are selling 5 starter packs every week, or 5 builder packets, or 5 ultimate pack in a month time, the total income that you can earn in a fast start bonus is amounting to 32,000 pesos. Okay na ba yan sa'yo? Remember, this is a daily income. Let's talk about the third way to earn, infinity bonus. In Sante, you're gonna be forming two groups or two teams in your organization. And if they joins, let's say for example, at a starter package with one infinity point, that one infinity point is equivalent to 500 pesos because it will create one link. So how much is your income if two of your friends join you at starter packets? So it will create one link amounting to 500 pesos. Let's say that two of their friends, not your friends, but their friends, join your organization in a builder pockets. How much is your income? Okay, it will create a link of 1,500 pesos. Three links. For every link, you will earn 500 pesos. Okay, so these three packages in the Philippines correspond an infinity point. Starter package has one infinity point, builder package has 3 infinity points, and ultimate package has 15 infinity points. If your business partners join you in starter package, then it will create one link. You will earn 500 pesos. If two of their friends join in their organization, that is also your organization, you will earn 500 pesos because it will create one link. And if two of their friends, or maybe your friend also, join your organization in a builder package, then it will create three links amounting to 1,500 pesos. If two of your friends also join you in an ultimate package because they want big business, then you can earn 7,500 pesos. Again, it's daily income. Would it be okay with you? Now, let's talk about the last of the 4 ways to earn, the builder bonus or the monthly bonus. In Sante, we build our residual income by developing leaders in our organization. And from their purchases, we earn monthly bonus up to the 10th level. So it's good if they achieve the higher position or pin ranks in Sante. Now, assuming you have 5 business partners, 5 of your friends joined you, and each one of them bought one canister. You can earn a builder bonus from each one of them, 48 pesos. And your monthly bonus for that first month could be 240 pesos. If 5 of your friends get another 5 friends, then they will become 25 people in your organization. And you can earn 1,800 pesos as your second month bonus. And if those people continue to invite 5 people on the third level, you can earn 3,000 pesos. On the next fourth level, you can earn 15,000 pesos. And on the fifth level, for that month, you can earn 75,000 pesos. Would it be okay with you if you earn in total of a monthly potential income of 95,000 pesos? Does this business sound great to you? If you are for Sante and you think this business is for you, then choose the package that best suit you. Thank you so much.